Hello and welcome back to the cafe. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our essential recipes, which is our rocky road. Now here at the cafe we try to cater for a range of different dietary requirements, whether it's wheat-free, vegetarian, vegan. We'll always have something on offer, whether it's sweet or savoury. Today's recipe is a wheat-free version of rocky road, so let me show you how. To begin with, I'm going to line my tray with some baking parchment. And the way that I do that is by just laying it across the tray, making sure that it's got excess either side, and then just snipping into the corners, like so. And you'll notice that it will then just fold straight into the tray, like so. And then I'm just going to cut off any excess so it doesn't then fold into the mix. And that is ready for later. Now in a heat-proof bowl, I've already laid out some golden syrup. To this, I'm going to add some butter, followed by some chocolate chips. I'm now going to heat this over some simmering water. This process is called bain-marie. Now that mix is melting over there, I'm going to move on to some of my other ingredients. So here I've got some wheat-free digestive biscuits that I picked up from a free-from section in a supermarket. If you don't have any allergies, you can use normal digestives for this. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to break these up in my hand. Now that is all done and we've got some nice chunky bits of digestive biscuits in there. Now I'm going to add some raisins. And I've also got some Glacé Cherries, which I'm just going to chop up into some nice small pieces. Now this mix is melted, I'm just going to pull it off and just leave it to one side just to cool down slightly before adding it to the biscuit mix. Now this mix is cooled down slightly, I'm just going to pour it straight into my biscuit mix. It's like a chocolatey waterfall, yummy. Just to make sure that I get every last bit of it, I'm just going to use a spatula just to go around and grab every last bit. I'm just going to give this a really good mix together. The next stage to this is to add the marshmallows. Now, marshmallows I'm using today are mini white marshmallows, and you can use multicoloured ones if you like, but the key thing with this is that the chocolate mix is cool enough when you add the marshmallows, otherwise it will just melt them down and you don't want that. So this mix has been left for about 10 minutes or so, so I'm going to go straight with the marshmallows, just fold them in really gently, quite quickly as well. Once they've all got a nice coating, I'm just going to drop them straight into our pre-prepared tin from earlier. And that's looking pretty good to me. So I'm just going to, at this stage, just turn back to my spatula from earlier, and then just going to scrape these all in. Now just going to use a palette knife just to really spread this mix into all the corners. You You don't want to press down too much, you don't want to flatten it, you just want to make sure the mix is nicely spread around. Now it's to this stage, I'm just going to pop it in the fridge for 4 hours for that to set. To top off the Rocky Road, I'm now just going to melt down some white chocolate, and I'll be doing this in the microwave, giving it about 15-second bursts and then giving it a stir until it's all melted. Now that's all melted, I'm going to just fill up a piping bag, and I'm just going to turn down the sides to begin with. Fill that up. And I'm just going to twist it at the top just to make sure it's nice and tight. And then finally, I'm just going to snip a little bit off the end, about that much if you can see. And then if you want to test it, the best way I do is just to go back to the white chocolate bowl, press it right there, so just pop a fair bit more. There we go, that will be perfect. Now I'm just going to drizzle at an angle, left to right, over the entire thing, like so. Now this is all set, the last thing to do is just to portion it. Now this has a loose bottom, so it makes it really easy just to slide it straight on the chopping board, like so. Peel down parchment. So there you have it, wheat-free Rocky Road. Now, I hope you've enjoyed that recipe. If you did, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Also, if you wanted to make it more your own recipe, you could maybe add some nuts to it or some dried cranberries. If you do, leave a comment, let me know what you did. And until then, I'll see you next time.